The Vulture and the Cat. One day, a blind vulture came to live in the hollow of a tree where birds roosted at night. The birds held a hurried conference.
Poor old bird. He can hardly move around. Let us give him a share of our food, or else he will soon die of starvation.
The old vulture was touched by their kindness.
I shall make it my duty to protect their young when they are away gathering food.
One day, a cat happened to pass by when the birds were away. He did not see the vulture, who was napping perched on a high branch.
Ah, lots and lots of little fledglings. Food enough for days and days.
When the little birds saw the cat approach, they set up such a twitter that the vulture woke up. He swooped down.
Who goes there?
Vulture. Oh, I'm done for.
Just then he noticed something.
Oh, the fellow is blind. What a relief.
Who goes there? Speak up.
I'm a cat.
Be off, or I will slay you.
I'm prepared to die if I deserve it. But may I first explain why I'm here?
Yes, you may.
I live on the banks of the Ganga. The birds there constantly speak of your wisdom and your learning. I have come to study law from you.
Yes, but cats like meat, and there are young birds here. I'll have to slay you.
Oh, wise bird, would you kill a stranger who comes to you as a disciple? Besides, I know the scriptures and I have more compassion.
He seems to be trustworthy. All right, you may live in the hollow with me.
Day after day, the cat stole some fledglings and devoured them in the hollow. Each evening, when the birds returned home, they found some fledglings missing.
We must investigate the matter.
It's time to move to fresh hunting grounds.
He slunk away as soon as possible. Meanwhile, as the birds flew hither and thither, one of them chirped loudly.
See what I've found. I've got the culprit. He must be pecked to death.
The ungrateful wretch! He has repaid our kindness by eating our helpless ones.
So they pecked to death the poor vulture, whose only fault was that he treated as a friend one with whom he was barely acquainted. Moral: never trust a stranger.